Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save radar task in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a radar task is part of the radar buildings mission where you send scouts to explore and gather rewards. If you want to save a radar task for later completion or so you don't accidentally trigger it, there's a few different ways how to do this. So now the first way is to don't tap go or dispatch yet. And what I mean by this, when you open the radar, you'll see the active task. If you press go dispatch, it will start immediately. Simply leave it in the radar list. If you want to save it, it will then stay there until you manually start it. Also, wait before claiming rewards. After completing a radar task, the reward sits in the radar until you claim it. You can leave the reward unclaimed to hold it, useful if you want to save it for an event where rewards count towards points. Also, use queue control. So if you're mid-task on something else like rallies or troop training, you can delay starting radar task until your troops are free. This essentially saves the task in the radar without losing it. And now the last thing we can try is watch the reset timer. So some radar missions refresh daily. If you save one too long and miss the reset, it may disappear. So make sure to check the timer at the radar station to avoid losing it.